Testing for carbon monoxide buildup in a room is an important safety test. The 320B has a dedicated test to log carbon monoxide readings for a set period. Select the Ambient CO test from the measurement menu, check that the test period and alarm limits are set, then enable the test. Press start and position the probe for the duration of the test, which is usually 15 minutes in the UK. During this test, the appliances need to be on and the windows or ventilation closed. The 320B logs the measured CO to memory every second, or less frequently if you prefer. At the same time, it charts the CO level against preset warning and alarm limits. If the CO goes above the alarm limit, the analyzer gives an audible alarm, and when the test terminates, it will warn you to switch off the appliances and open the windows. Our test has passed, as indicated by the thumbs up symbol, so now we can print the results.